1, 2, 3.
You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, go.
Here comes Corey Anderson looking for eggs. Here comes Callie Anderson looking for eggs. Oh, you dropped one.
I'm helping Callie again.
There's Callie.
Oh my word.
And Sarah and Lily and John and Paul and Linda, Shauna, Daniel, JJ. Hey, Corey, don't forget the big ones. How many big ones did you get?
10. All right, come on.
I told him we have a giant Easter bunny who lays these eggs, and unfortunately she doesn't lay them with chocolate inside. So you don't want that.
Bertha.
Bertha, big Bertha. And I have to tell you, the dog's out when you don't want to pet that dog.
Oh, better get one more.
That dog, don't pet that dog.
Can we go yet?
Corey, don't take well to that.
No, it's 9. No, they get 10.
Oh, they get 10.
Okay, how we doing?
Not a fight to the death.
The big kids are having a little bit of a hard time with this.
We aren't skilling for this, you guys. But...
How many more do you think they can do? Is there enough, Shauna, to do 10 more?
I see a few.
There's 4 kids kicking and they already did it.
We've got a few cameras going here.
Jonathan hasn't gotten his 10 yet.
Honestly, yeah, you probably have more than enough for 10 per.
I think maybe they should try another 5. Yeah, try 5. Okay, Jonathan, do you have your 10?
Here comes Jerry and Kendrick.
Oh, ran into the tree.
Happy Easter.
Man, I
2012.
at least 5 more.
5 more? Okay, go for 5 more.
Make that like 7.
Why is the dog out? Okay, your baby.
I love it when they run right by.
There aren't any doggy landmines out there, right?
Oh, you're
Come on.
Nope. Hey, that's 5. That's 5.
Oh, that was so funny. You're like.
Corey, did you get 5?
Yeah. I was like, oh, look at this kid.
No, I said I could see 5. I could see 7. Enough, okay, keep it in your basket. You're okay. But that's enough. I know you see it. I know you see it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I remember this one was close. When we had ours,
Okay, so they did go
for like 48 and he was
Okay, so do you...
Oh,
I haven't tackled that side yet.
20 to 30 more eggs.
Jonathan, did you get your other 5?
You got your face. Step on your face.